You know it's a vibe. Go down and subscribe. It's your girl Terry Dominique, and I stay on fleek, and it's on period. I'm kind of in a rush right now. I wanted to record me going to the chiropractor for the first time. I've never been. So yeah, I want to take y'all with me. Hopefully they'll let me record inside of the place. But yeah, stay tuned. So let's get into the video. What's up, y'all? Oh my God, I'm almost there. And I'm nervous a little bit. My boyfriend, he just got his done, so he waiting on me. And y'all, I'm a little nervous, so we're gonna see how this go. I'm gonna get him to try to record me while I'm getting it done. So yeah, stay tuned.
That's there for me. They're so funny, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's easier.
Okay. I'm gonna put your hands here. There, just relax for me. I'm gonna open this midsection so you can breathe. Okay. I'm gonna lift up this and take a little pressure off your lower back. Okay, your right foot is shorter than the left here, your left leg, so you feel the tension in there?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so you're going to feel the tail feel it come up just a little bit. I'm going to push and it's going to go back down again. That's sore right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. Okay. Keep this leg straight. Lift the whole leg up like you're swimming. Yep, lift the whole thing. Keep it straight and lift the whole thing up. Back down. Can you do this one? Is that harder to do?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then cross your feet. Relax there for me. Cross your feet. Okay. Try again. Lift that leg up. Good. Other side.
Oh, it was easy.
Better?
Yeah.
It's tight right there. It's kind of sore there.
Mm-hmm.
Big deep breath in. All your air out. I'm going to push, okay? Good. Good. Okay. All right. I'm going to get this one right here. Deep breath in. All your air out.
Why are you so goofy?
Okay. I'm going to turn your head.
Why are you so goofy?
Oh, this is so funny.
Okay. Try again. Lift that leg up. Other side. Wait. Much better?
Yeah, way better.
Wait. Okay. Right. I'm going to have you just leave your feet right where they're at. Turn over, lay in the back. You could feel like everywhere that I touched it was sore.
Yeah.
And I pushed, and then when I touched it again, it's not sore.
Yeah.
You were misaligned in those places. Sore right there.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn your head to the side. I'm going to push right here, okay? Wiggle your toes for me.
Oh my God.
One more right here, okay? Same thing. I'm going to tilt your head to the side. There you go.
I gotta just.
My baby just got me a ring light. Okay. I got a newer ring light, the best ring light there is. I've been wanting this joint. My video is gonna be so much better, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I'm investing in this YouTube. And it's on what, babe?
Period.
Period.
How you investing and I bought it for you?
You investing in me, baby.
So how you gonna say I'm investing in this?
I'm investing and you investing in me.
Oh, okay.
Or I'm investing too. You
Oh,
know,
okay.
something like that, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
it
a
comes
shade.
with these little shades.
Different color shades.
Different color shades. And this is the cord. We got Malamad over here on the floor, y'all. It comes with these little parts. Y'all don't understand what I've been going through with trying to like upload, and my stuff been kind of rinky-dink. I ain't gonna lie to you, but hey, I'm getting a little fancy. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, I've been wanting one so bad. Cause I got a stand where I put my camera and my phone on, and then the ring light, it just hang on the camera, y'all. It's so ghetto. I was gonna say janky. That too. Okay,
Melanie,
so
you reading instructions? Huh?
oh, you know what?
Huh?
Okay, here's the stand. I threw it on Mallory. Hold on. The stand comes out the legs.
What? You gotta show me something? Huh?
She excited. She excited for me. Okay. Heavy. Open it.
Just pull it. Just pull it hard.
I don't want to break a nail.
It's open. It's open right there. That's not big.
Dang. Oh my God.
We in
Y'all.
Mallory room too, y'all.
Yeah, oh
Feeling
my
my baby.
God. I need this. The struggle be real. Oh, I love you, baby. Thank you. Okay, let me see. I guess it goes on like this, some kind of way.
You gotta tighten the other one.
I gotta untighten it and then. Here, I'll just record you.
Yeah, sure.
It's okay. I can see my sexy man.
Record it, Melly. There you go.
Y'all about to see this thing light up.
You got a lock on the thing right here? Why don't come out?
We're gonna let him do it, cause y'all, he good at fixing everything. I'm so ready to see how bright this is. Oh my God. Sorry for shaking the camera, but I'm excited. Woo! Oh my God. Mallory. Huh? Oh my goodness, y'all. That is so bright. It's really, really tall. Oh my God, y'all. I'm so happy. This Joker is nice. Ooh, it's nice.
It's damn too.
You just do it. You can dim it down.
Yeah.
And the brighter it get. Oh my God. Oh.
You put a phone on the camera.
Okay, it comes with a phone clip.
Mm-hmm.
And it comes with a camera. So
Either or.
either or. Y'all, look at Mallory. Mallory.
I did like it. You can put this on. You just screw this on if you don't use your phone.
Okay.
If you don't use your phone. There you go, my camera.
The camera just screw on top of here. And it comes with what it comes with?
It's a handheld.
Oh, okay. You can just push it when you want to record
Mm,
and take pictures. Let me see the front of it, baby. Let me see the front of the red thing. You got it in your hand.
oh.
There it is.
I used to care for recording.
Yeah.
So.
When you want to record and take a picture, you can just snap it.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, here it is.
Oh,
My newer ring light.
You got an app. You got to download the app.
It's the app. Ooh, I'm so excited.